In this video, we are going to look at how to design and order a custom shower pan with Grifform. You should begin by inspecting your space and our custom shape options and determine the best shape for your space. Next, you should measure your space using stud-to-stud measurements and input these into the shape that correlates with your space. After this, you can move on to selecting a custom entry point option. From here, you can head over and select the different custom wall option. Straight walls will support any thickness of shower wall material. Coved wall and square wall 1s through 6 will have a rim and support varying thicknesses of walls as specified through our website. The outside flange of these options, when installed, should align to your wallboard material. Next, you should move over to selecting a different drain option. The two types of drain options we offer are standard drain or trench drain. Trench drain has the option of perforated drain cover or concealed drain cover. From here, if you have selected a barrier-free entry, you will have access to selecting our award-winning overflow protection add-on. Once these different shower pan variations are selected, you can either submit your quote as is for strictly the shower pan, or head down and select to add on different shower walls or various different shower accessories. After your quote has been submitted, we will typically respond to you within 2 business days with quotation price. This quotation pricing will outline your order and break down the exact pricing. Once you have confirmed your order and established payment arrangements, you will be sent an approval drawing spec sheets of your exact order specifications. These approval drawings are great tools to use if you plan on coordinating with an installer. Once you have signed off on your approval drawings, your custom product will begin the manufacturing process. Lead time and ship times may vary depending on project complexity and distance. I hope this video helped you understand the process of creating a custom shower pan with Grifform Innovations. With any questions, don't hesitate contacting us.